Well, it's Sunday afternoon, the sun's finally shining. All right, everybody, it's Easter. And she's making me work on Easter Day. Today, we're gonna build some raised beds. Hey everybody, it's Levi, Pine Knot Family Farms. Tasha's with me. And today we're down in the garden, as you can see, and we're gonna build some raised beds. Actually, they're gonna be some small beds that she can plant strawberries in. We actually have salvaged some materials out of the wreckage that we had from the tornado a couple of weeks ago. And these are old utility pole cross arms that we're going to use for some posts and stuff. And then, which we just got some our normal sawmill material here that we've salvaged out of different jobs as well. All this is utility poles of some sort or another. And we're going to try to build this along the fence, elevate it up about 30 inches high so that it's easy to maintain, easy to work, easy to pick and gather the strawberries. So we'll take you along and kind of see how it goes. Okay, the 18-inch piece of old corrugated pipe we had left off of a job. It's just a cut-off piece. And what we're going to do is take the sawmill and basically cut this in half. So we got two exact halves that we can use for our raised bed. We can fill that up with dirt. This being plastic, it'll never rot out. It should last forever. It's good heavy corrugation. Should hold up really well. Never have solid plastic pipe.
You haven't?
No, let's make it interesting.
Well, that was quick.
So, presto, two halves, exactly the same. Fill that up with dirt, raised bed, no problem.
So we also got these two cable spools from the tornado storm cleanup. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. If you've got any creative ideas, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to know what y'all think those would be good for.
What I was doing, and I'm notching these so that I can kind of make like a dovetail joint for these posts to go into. That way this fits up against this post good and tight, and it gives it a lot more leverage. So there's our notch joint we just put together. You can see what happens is it makes this post carry this leg. So it's just not your screws holding the weight. It actually notches in, and all of our weight will be sitting here pushing down on the post. Is that high enough?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's about the perfect height.
Yeah. Not really bending over. What are you doing, Scout? You want some lovin's, huh?
Got our inserts down. We're going to put a little 6-inch ledge up here so that you got something to lay your tools on or your plants on while you're potting them, and it also covers up these little rough edges, keeps the water from running down in these pipes, which we're going to drill holes in the bottom of this before we get done. But main thing, just gives you a place to work from. A little soft edge here. Post?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. All right, y'all, so I'm spreading the compost out on here, and then what fell on the ground, bed that we did not get amended last time, so I'm adding it to it. I wanted to show y'all this raised bed that's built out of cross ties. It used to be my strawberry bed, and then we had that in the garden where it was, and that's all we had over here. No fences, no greenhouse, no raised beds, nothing. So it used to be just this box sitting out in the wide open and the garden sitting out in the wide open. So even though we've always gardened, we have really expanded things in the last year and really made a huge difference in the way things look. So just kind of a little trip down memory lane of what it used to look like. I wish I had a picture because it has just changed so much.
The night that we built these, I had to leave the next day for a storm call, and we just kind of threw these up trying to get her something to get the strawberries planted in, because you had bought the strawberries earlier,
Yeah.
and they really needed to get in the dirt. And in building it, we didn't actually support it enough, so it fell. And then the first rain we really got weighted it all down. We come in and we've reinforced it and built it back up and got everything put back together again. So nice and level and everything straight. Perfect height for a raised bed. Easy to work. You can tell there's no bending over. You're right here at your hands, and really think we're going to like these. We may put quite a few of these around the perimeter of the garden before it's over with.
So I've got it mulched, and my strawberries in here. Of course, these are first year strawberries down through here, and a volunteer compost.
We did try to put a little shelf here along the edges, as you can see, something to have for workspace, so when you're picking or doing anything, you've got a place to put your basket or your collection pots here. And I think this is going to work out really well in the long term.
It looks good.
I hope maybe this gives somebody an idea about how to make a raised bed for yourself, and I hope you enjoyed the video.